So your first problem in your independent practice says that Sally bought 6 pairs for $3.60. How much did each pair cost? So hopefully you've already set up your problem. My problem, I wrote that if we were looking for each pair, where each means 1. So I'm looking for the price of 1 pair. Sally bought 6 pairs total, and her total price was $3.60. So in this problem, we are trying to do $3.60 divided by the 6 pairs that she's bought so that we can find that price of that individual pair. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on grouping. Since this first number is a decimal, I already know in my mind my answer will be a decimal. So now I'm going to look to this second number. This tells me how many groups that I need to make. So I have 6. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and draw my 6 circles to represent my 6 groups for each pair. Okay, so here on my board I have my 6 groups. So this would be pair 1, pair 2, pair 3, pair 4, pair 5, pair 6. And now we're going to take the $3.60 and try to evenly distribute it out into each one so that we can find the price. So if I start with $3 in my ones place, well, I have 6 groups. So $3, I don't have enough to put $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, because that would make 6, and I only have 3. So I've got to start thinking in my mind, what could I do to help me get here? Well, I could go ahead and exchange. So I'm going to think about my place value chart. Ones, tenths, hundredths. Okay. Right now I have 3 ones, and I want to move those to the tenths place so that I have more to work with. Well, a 1 is 10 times the size. So when I'm moving it over, I need to multiply that number by 3, essentially as dimes. $1 is equal to 10 dimes. So if I have $3, my tenths place is now 30 tenths that I'm going to start working with. So I'm going to take those 30 tenths, I'm going to add the 6 that I already had that is here in the tenths place. So 30 plus 6 is now 36 tenths. And now I'm going to go through and just drop them into my groups until I don't have enough anymore. So here's 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So now I've used all 36 of those rods or those individual tenths pieces that I had. So for me to find the price of 1 pair, I'm going to look at just 1 circle. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little pieces here. And each one of these represented a tenth. So this is 6 tenths. So the way I would write that is 0.6. And you could even add a 0 to the end if you wanted to. This would make 60 cents is what she paid for that 1 pair.